I know you seen the title, guys. That is correct, or you might have heard the news. Robinhood now allow agents to trade on your behalf. AI agents executing trades. And not only that, they do now allow the AI agents to make credit card purchases on your behalf. And don't worry, in this video, I'll go over me trying to do this, and you'll end up seeing what I came across. I'll show you everything more about it. And the agent would be trading on your behalf, making purchases. Of course, you would have to confirm the purchase, and from what Robinhood just told us, you would be able to connect and disconnect. It's currently in beta mode, but I don't want to waste any more time, so I'm gonna go over some key components. It says Robinhood is now open to agents. Customers can connect their own AI agent to Robinhood to help manage and automate trading and credit card purchase with built-in safety controls and real-time activity feeds. So it says the future of agentic finance has arrived to Robinhood. Today we're launching agentic trading, and the agentic credit card enable AI agents to trade and make credit card purchases on your behalf. This is, kind of wild. Robinhood is definitely a brokerage that's innovative. They came up with the commission-free trading, um, Corvex, online banking. Um, they're doing a lot. Now, I'm just going to tell you guys every, major component about this if you were thinking about, doing this, and just showing you what happened when I went through the process. So it says agents can now access the power of Robinhood trading platform. You can open a dedicated agentic trading account separate from the rest of your portfolio. So this will be separate. So they're going to isolate it, which to me I think is good. Meaning your agent only has access to the funds you deposit in that account. I think that is a good safety precaution. It says you'll get push notifications anytime your agent makes a trade, and you see a real-time activity feed or profit or loss directly in the Robinhood app. It says you if you ever need to pause trading, you can disconnect the agent at any time. This is going to be really interesting. I think a lot of people too, especially that if they're not really familiar with investing and trading, it could also cost them a lot of money. Now, this to me is risky, but I think the credit card purchase, I think that is a very bad idea. I do think the agentic trading from a innovative perspective, especially with the direction which AI is going, I think that would be a good feature. I do think they need to be very careful with safety precautions and making sure things go smoothly, because a lot of things can go wrong when things and suppose if they have glitches or problems and stuff like that. So we'll end up seeing. So now, when we look at it, says your agent can define the strategy based on your investing and trading goals. Well, if you're a long-term investment, it says long-term investor, you can have their agent analyze your portfolio with concentration risk and sector exposure, identify where they're over or underweight, and execute a rebalance. I think what probably should have happened is they should have allowed the agent do that first, the long-term things, and then incorporate the trading later. But the second one, it says with convictions in AI semiconductor, you can have an agent build an initial portfolio matching their criteria, monitor the space. See, all of these two, I think they should have released those two first. Analyze upgrades and rebalance towards the strongest opportunity at irregular cadence. I think that was, now this one, it says an active trader can backtest a mean reversion strategy to see how it performed historically and deploy it to automatically buy oversold stocks and sell when they revert to the mean. Agentic trading is launched in beta with support with equities out of the gate. So first they'll have equities, and then what happen is they'll add options, crypto, event contracts, and futures. Um, as far as the credit card purchase, it says as one of the first purchase, the Genetic credit card empowers your agent to spend on your behalf by connecting to your Robinhood banking MCP server. I'll explain that later. During the setup, you have to connect it, and then so it says, for example, if you a sneakerhead, you can tell the agent to buy the new release once the price drops to this amount. It says if you're a foodie, you can instruct the agent to book the most exclusive restaurant reservation. If you're a small business owner, you can get the agent to fill multi-item orders lists. If you're a pet owner, you can ask the agent to buy highly rated items on Amazon. Safety precautions. This is to me, important feature. Autonomous trading and spending doesn't mean surrendering your control. We approach this to launch with safety mindset, ensuring customer maintain oversight of their agent 24/7. In addition to spending controls, limited account access, and the ability to instantly disable your agent. Hopefully that works well. This stuff is kind of wild. On fraud detection, it says if a trade or payment looks off, Robinhood support team can review exactly what you asked the agent to do, see what it can actually did, and help you quickly resolve it. It says manual approval, opt in manual approval on every credit card purchase before it goes through, and preview trades. When appropriate, agent will preview orders with customers whenever they ask to place an order, so customers can see all the details of the order before they um, purchase. Now, so that is all the stuff. Now, if you wanted to set it up, Robinhood gives you an instructions of and I can put both of these links of which you would basically need to set it up. So I'm just going to make it easier for you. So if you scroll down, what you would either need, Claude, if you have Claude, ChatGPT, Codex, Cursor, that's basically all you need. So probably the easiest probably way just to go with by Claude or ChatGPT. If you do go to Claude, if you scroll down, it shows you the directions for oh, but this is with Claude Code. So with Claude Code, you can do it with Claude Code. Oh, for Claude Desktop. So for Claude Desktop, you would go to settings, conductors, and add connect. Sorry, settings, connectors, and add a custom connector. I just did the Chat GPT one. You turn into developer mode, settings, app, create app, and then you put this link there. So I'm gonna go over it so you guys can see. It said settings. You click on your profile name. You go to settings. Once you go to settings, it says go to um, apps, and I have already did it, but that's you can see that agent at the bottom. Create app, and then what you would just do is the link. You would just copy and paste that link. It normally asks you to name it, and then after that, it basically you just have to agree, and then you would hit create. And then once you hit create, it's going to once you hit create, it's going to prompt you to connect. Now I've already did this, before, but I just did that. So okay, so now, like I said, you'll see that, and then I will hit, sign in, and then when I go to it, because I was trying to start, slightly too premature. It'll say coming soon. Agentic trading is rolling out. We'll email you once you have access. So I attempted it. I really did attempt to use it to, show you guys exactly how it works, but it's not quite ready for me anyway. As soon as it becomes available, I'll then show you what my experience was. But everybody, that concludes this video. If you haven't, oh, let me know, by the way, what do you think about Robinhood allowing agents to trade on your behalf. Let me know. Also, for the credit card purchase, let me know about that. But that concludes the video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Out.